The control booth, control room, lighting box, technical booth, or just booth to theater or television technicians is the area designated for the operation of technical equipment, lighting and sound, and is sometimes the location of the Deputy Stage Manager DSM, station as well as the lighting controls and sound board. Generally it is an enclosed space with a large sliding window with a good view of the stage. It might be on the ground floor, but is sometimes placed at the balcony level. It is designed to allow lighting and sound operators to be able to see the performance, without being in the auditorium itself. This means that they are free to talk to their colleagues in the booth, and also the stage management team and other crew members via the communications headset. A booth that is sealed to the auditorium also allows for noisier equipment to be used, in particular computers and computer-based lighting desks, which require built-in fans in order to work properly. The downside to having a sealed booth is that it can be difficult for the sound engineer to mix without being able to hear what is actually happening on stage. In this situation, a separate table may be set up in the house for the sound engineer. In some smaller theaters and school halls, control booths can sometimes be found above or at the side of the stage. This allows space at the back of the auditorium for more seating, or a better/larger foyer area. In older theaters, this is because before the advent of thyristor dimming and compact electronic control desks, there was a limit on the distance that lighting controls could be placed away from the dimmers. In some theaters, the control booth is actually divided into a suite of rooms, allowing each of the technical elements of a production its own customized space. This is especially likely to be the case where a theater produces performances which require live sound mixing rather than just pre-recorded effects, as a sound operator needs to be able to hear the sound in the auditorium, and so not be sealed from it as a lighting operator, follow spot operator, or projectionist might be. In some theaters with one or more balconies, the follow spots may be given their own room above the highest balcony, with the lighting booth typically lower down at the rear of the stalls or the first balcony.